This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, February 11th. I'm Marsha Bird. On Friday, the Commodore boys basketball team continued their successful season with a 50-43 victory over Lake Taylor. The JV boys, also having a great season, won as well. The girls indoor track team won the Region 5A championship in a big way. Destiny Hooks, Junice Hasbury, and Maeve Stiles all won events for the Commodores. The boys track team finished ninth. In wrestling, Tayon Gibbs took second place in the 195-pound class. He advances to the next week's state championship meet. Alex Laplace came in sixth place. In the Region 5A swimming championship, the boys captured their first region title. Kobe Wynn, Sean Roca, and Blake Johnson led the way for the Commodores, who will compete for the state championship. The girls' team finished fourth with the state qualifiers and individual events. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's all for Monday's update. I'm Marsha Barrett. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.